Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Menteri rong ba ka jela konvat ki sangma ne kasni satjan ula pentip ba ka sarkar kala itu komba arpsan akar ka jaka ban pentrei ye ki jingtei ba pher ki ban pen kop dur thamai ya ka nong ba shillong kata ban pen itnat ban pen kluut ya ka. Haga jingsun ranlang ki he officer ka PWD Urban Affairs but Forest and Environment Menteri rongba ulalit jurip iko officer ka PWD Phanong Latpa Brightwell Bongno Kabadan Habarik Point Anjali Point Batpulu ka sarkar ka thumu bansnai ki lentiya ikjat bathamai ki Green Park bat ki jaka penbernya ban nang pelong ya ka shillong ka bakring bat ai khambun ki jaka pat ba shakinong shong shnang Ulaong haba pen pau ba on sa thauru ya ki museum bar kiwi ki cultural center ban pen I ya ka culture barus pa bar ki jingte barim jong kam ne khalaya Menteri rongba ula pentip ba ki jaka balai dru on sa penan kam ban shnai ya ki jaka pat ba kum ki restaurant ki jaka penyang kali bar kiwi ki jingdan kam ki bala ban pendan kam da ki trai shnong bar ki nong wan kai Ulay thu bahabarik point on sa te ya ka jingtay sa anam kentup ka jing penyang ya ka jaka penher ya ka lama kari ka bala ban yoi na kaleng ki jaka jong kanong ba. Ka project kan sedang da ka jing penkenria ya ka office badan menta habarik point ha unay tung bad on board da ka jingtay bathamay ka ban sedang ha unay la. Halor ka jing yadai ki ding ha kaleng ki jaka ki ban mi ki jingtay thamay ulaong ngin shim kya bha ban pentikna ha ka ban numpom ya ki ding ha ba pentray ya ki jingtay thamay. Haba kran halor ka jing kapnya ki surak hashilong Menteri rongba ulaong ba kini ki senjam batmu ban shim kin kentuk ru ya ka jing shna ya ki parking lot bathamay ha ki jaka ba itan kam. Kani ka senjam kadi ka bashim da ka jing tmu ban penduna ya ka jing penyang kali har rut surong ka ban penkluit ki kali ba kenya ka surak thamay ka ban ya lingba ka NEFE Secretariat Military Hospital ru on sa shna ban penduna ya ka jing kapnya ha Anjali Point ka way na ki jaka ba kapnya ba hanong ba ulaong ha ka jing jurep ula batha ya ka tunat Forest and Environment ban penkenria no ikimrat na Phanong Latpa Shaka State Zoo Badak Shutai Thamai Haribhoi District. Menteri rongba ulalit jurip ru ia ke jingtray badang ya jong ke integrated market hapur.
So which part is so wherever the children's park is here, like no. This is here. This one is there. That one is here. Yeah, we're going to build up anything. Just provide space for. And the entire process of redoing this particular park has already been planned. Part of the plan is to extend some space for the civil hospital, which you can see behind me. So we will be extending space and giving some space from here for the civil hospital so that more beds can come here and more facilities can be brought out. At the same time, we are in the process of shifting the animals from the park to the permanent location, which is the zoo, which is almost complete, and in the month of June we should be able to shift most of the animals to the zoo, to the enclosure that has been built out there. And once all of this is done, then we will start a proper reconstruction and renovation of the entire park, which will include a large number of facilities that will come up. At the same time, there will be some section behind where we are also planning to use for a parking lot, so that there could be some decongestion in the city, and that process also will start very soon. So we have come here today with the entire team to study this and to look at the plans, and we hope that this will be one step towards ensuring that we are able to decrease the overall congestion in the city of Shillong. That for the first time, in fact, in the history of the state, some major interventions in regards to the utility of the land that is owned by the government and the different departments of the government is being done in Shillong city. Close to about 25 acres of land belonging to government is going to be rationalized, and we will try to utilize maximum the entire land utility with the objective of decreasing the congestion in the city, creating more walking space, and creating overall more beautification for Shillong city. So behind me, as you can see, that we have the Barrack point, and this is a PWD land area. There is a plan to completely utilize this to create an open space for the public, create a parking space on the side, and have small buildings which will be more like museums and promote the culture of us, of our state and the history of our state. At the same time, have small eating joints and small place where tourists can come in and really get an experience of Shillong city. At the same time, right here, we also intend to have a very high national flag hoisted here, which will be, as I said, at the heart of the city, which will again be a very strong icon in the city in the center of the city, which again will send a very strong message. So that is what the plan is for the Barrack point out here, and we expect that by July end or by August we should be able to shift the offices from here and start the work maybe sometime in the month of September, and quickly be able to convert this into a nice open space, a green space, and a space where tourists can really enjoy the city. Comprehensive plan to maximize the utility of the land and the government space that we have in the city. Another example is the Brightwell bungalow, which is right behind me. As you're aware that this is again in a very strategic location and heart of the city, and our intention is to convert this area without disturbing the trees out here. There's enough open space. We clear it up and convert this into a parking lot, and work towards how we could keep the bungalow and convert that also into something of a public utility where tourists maybe can come in and different utilities can be given to the people. So in a location like this, if we have a parking lot out here which could accommodate close to about 200 to 300 vehicles, so entire congestion around here, Pine Mount School, the Secretariat, the Sosotham, and other offices which are around here, the parking can be in this place rather than on the roads, which ultimately leads to the congestion that we have. So this is again one part, and we expect that in this area also, in about a matter of few months, we should be able to start the work to flatten this place and create this into a parking space, so that we'll have more space for the for cars to park, and which will lead further to the decongestion of our city.